Write a letter to your father explaining to him the cause of your failure in examination. Examination hall, then write the name of city, date. Dear father, you might have received my result card. I am sorry to inform you that my result is very poor. I failed badly in English and math, but circumstances are responsible for all this. My failure is due to three reasons. First, I fell ill a few days before the examination. Time was short and the course was long. The two subjects remained untouched. Secondly, I am captain of the football team of our school or college. This time, inter-school tournament took place near the examination. Much of my time was wasted in this way. Lastly, just after vacation, our teachers of English and math were transferred. The teacher of English joined the school after 2 months and we remained without a teacher during this time. The teacher of math never came to join. This added to my difficulties and I failed in math. Now the examination is over. I have started to work hard to make up my deficiency. Within a few months, I hope to master all the subjects. I promise to show you very good result in the annual examination. With love and respect, yours affectionately, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.